sharing our G8 bus experience from Noi Bai International Airport to Sapa and from Sapa to Hanoi, Vietnam. Few things to consider. We arrived in Noi Bai International Airport past 1 a.m. I have a vlog about that, and yes, pagdating namin wala pa kaming book transpo going to Sapa, pero may hotel na kami since we really planned na diretso Sapa na. Wag niyo kami gayahin kasi hindi kami makadecide if we'll book the train, van, or anong bus sa Klook. So ang ending, wala nang option ng pagdating namin ng April 22 sa Klook. Buti na lang when we checked the G8 website, may available slot pa for 7:30 a.m. trip that day, so nag-book na kami. So yes, pwedeng on the day mag-book as long as may slot pa. I booked 2 double cabins, bali good for 2, apat kami, so share na lang sa isang cabin. We paid 1,500 plus for round trip each, so that's Hanoi to Sapa and Sapa to Hanoi na. Around 6:52 a.m. that day, I received an email na sa column 1 kami mag-aantay and 7:30 to 7:45 ang pick-up. Although sa booking, column 20 nakalagay. Paglabas nyo sa arrival area, you can see the numbers naman sa poste. Go to column 1, diretso lang. May pictures na naka-attach sa email nila for reference. Received an update around 7:29 a.m. na papunta na ang bus, and few minutes after, I saw a placard na ng G8. Take note that time na sa column 1, may mga kasabay kami na sa Klook nag-book, and I think they were waiting for the HK bus. Use my Klook code Jonica Klook if you will book sa Klook. I think it's just the same. But since G8 and direct sa website, wala akong discount code. But because of the upcoming holiday that time, nakakuha kami ng discount code. Until May 1 lang ata yun. So wala na guys. Pinuntahan namin yung staff and they led us to the G8 bus after we confirmed our name. Pinasok yung luggage dito, then binigyan kami ng plastic for our shoes kasi no shoes allowed inside the bus. Sa likod kami mismo ng driver kasi ito na lang mga available na cabin that time. Yung front talaga yung bakante, and I'll tell you a hack. Though it might not work all the time, we booked the B11 and B12. So nung umandar ang bus, bakante ang A11 and A12 kaya nakatransfer yung pair namin sa bakanting cabin. O diba, solo namin yung double cabin pero nakatipid kami. But I suggest if hindi naman kayo nagtitipid, around 400 to 500 pesos kasi yung price difference. Just book a single cabin. Good for 1 yan. Of course, around 420,000 dong one way para comfy yung travel nyo going to Sapa and back to Hanoi. But I also suggest to book the lower cabin para hindi nyo masyado maramdaman yung biyahe. May water and wipes na kasama, headphones, pwede din maka-charge kasi may USB port, then free wifi. May massager pa yung bed and seat belt para hindi ka maalog-alog or mag-slide. Comfy for me yung ride ha, nakatulog ako, but after ng bus ride, yung mga friends ko mentioned na parang feeling nila nakalutang pa rin sila. May 2 stops pala for toilet kasi walang CR yung bus, and if gusto nyo kumain or bumili ng food, pwede din. Popcorn and Coke pinili ko that time, and around 9:30 a.m. yung first stop over. Sa second stop, di ko na napansin kasi sobrang antok na that time, tulog ako. Around 1:05 a.m. we arrived sa Sapa and may free van transfer going to our hotel. Make sure to input it when you book so they know. Although tinanong kami ng van driver, saan ang hotel? And hinatid kami. Yung isang group din ata ibang sasakyan and kami lang sa sasakyan. We're staying at Phung Nam Hotel pala. I just uploaded our hotel room tour. Check my playlist. Then pabalik ng Hanoi, since round trip yung ticket, pinick up din kami sa hotel sa Sapa and pinapunta sa bus. This time van na yung nag-pick up para sabay-sabay yung mga travelers. And ay, mga AFAM kasabay namin. Kami lang ata yung Filipinos. Yung schedule naman namin is 11:45 p.m. and arrival sa Hanoi is around 5 a.m. which I don't recommend unless nag-book kayo ng hotel a day before kasi girl, tumambay lang kami sa cafe before kami nag-check-in ng 2 p.m. I suggest booking the 7:30 a.m. trip talaga para pagdating sa Hanoi or either sa Sapa, just in time na for check-in. We wasted a day in Hanoi because of this kasi natulog na lang kami after and woke up for dinner. On time ang pick up, around 10:45 to 11:15 p.m. yung pick up, so nag-ready na kami, then punta na sa bus. That time, sunod-sunod yung mga trip, like may 11:30 p.m., then kami 11:45 p.m., so take note of your bus schedule. Puno that time, so nag-share talaga kami ng cabin, and okay lang naman, and nakatulog naman kami. We arrived around 5 a.m. in Hanoi. Hindi ko sure if dapat pa kaming hinatid din ng van nila, but walang nag-approach kahit nag-antay kami. But yung pinili ko na drop-off is malapit lang naman sa Airbnb namin, so nilakad na lang namin. So ayun, let me know if you have questions, comment down below. Still editing more vlogs, I hope to upload this week. Nagka-catch up din kasi ako sa work, guys. Use my Klook code Jonica Klook for Klook Hotel bookings and activities. Like and follow for more. Thank you for watching!